welcome back to another entrepreneur vlog. I am currently at IKEA. So let's see. All right, you guys, so we literally just left IKEA. We basically went there to see if Ari wanted to get some gaming stuff for her room. Yeah, she wants like a game setup for her room. So we went there. We couldn't find anything, so it seems like she's gonna get most of the stuff off Amazon and then probably get something to eat. But I want something good. So today I'm also going to be packaging orders. My boxes came in the mail, and then I am expecting my inventory in for my lashes that I'm launching, so I'm excited about that as well. So where are we going? I'm not sure. Find somewhere. Hey you guys, so we are at the gas station right now. I want something really good to eat. We decided on one of these restaurants. I can't remember the name of it though, but yeah, I'm gonna get some chapstick. Today I dropped a sale and y'all have been going crazy with the sales, so thank you guys so much for those of you who are actually purchasing with me. I really appreciate it. And then what else do I have to do today? I have a lot to do today. I'm really just like always super busy. Excited for just everything new that I have coming. Lash station drops soon. I didn't release a date or anything yet, but the website is up. Like I said, I'm ordering my inventory, so I'm super excited. But yeah, so I'll check back in with y'all when we probably get to the restaurant. We decided to just go to Longhorn because Ariella is so freaking indecisive, so we're going to go to Longhorn. And honestly, I'm tired of Longhorn. I done had Longhorn like 4 times this month, or within a matter of a few weeks. So I'm tired of Longhorn, but it is what it is at this point, and I'm just trying to eat because I'm hungry. Okay, so we are inside Longhorn, and this is my food. I got micro ribs, mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, and a strawberry lemonade. Y'all know I love my strawberry lemonade, so that's what I got. So yeah, we're just gonna be eating, and then I'll catch back up with you guys later. I'll catch back up with you guys later. All right, you guys, so I am actually back in the car. Longhorn was fabulous. It was really good. Okay, it was really good. It was really good. Not for real, y'all. I'm back in the car. The Longhorn was, I'll say, 8 out of 10, something like that. Yeah, it's not really much to say.
The hit has been on my mind.
The hit has been on my body. I've been acting bad. Alright, you guys, so I am, hi baby. So I am finally home. Cheers to being home. I got a couple things. What? So I finally made it home, and I got a few things to do. I still have a few things to do, you guys. I have to put all of these boxes together. Then I got this slab of boxes, and then I have to create my schedule for my YouTube channel. I just got a new intro made, so I'm super happy about that, because I wanted something new for my YouTube channel. Start fresh, get a new vibe, so I can feel motivated with my YouTube channel. And then I got these wigs that I'm going to review, because I looked at my analytics and it looks like all of my most highest viewed videos are wig reviews. So I'm definitely going to be doing a ton of wig reviews, like Amazon wig reviews, synthetic hair reviews, stuff like that. Then what else do I have to do? I have to do a couple of orders tonight as well, so I want to get those done. Yeah, it's been a day. And I also want to record a little more. I have a lot of orders to fulfill. Shout out to y'all who actually made purchases and stuff. I really appreciate y'all. But yeah, the extra hour of sleep was decent. I'm gonna straighten up my room a bit. I'm supposed to be getting my hair done around November 20 something. I forgot. I gotta look at the date that my hairstylist sent me. But I'm supposed to be getting my hair done again. Because she wants to try a style on me. So I'm supposed to be doing that. And then I'm supposed to be doing these wig reviews before that, because I want to be able to do it with these braids. That's why I love the setup. I love the setup I got going on. So basically what I'm trying to do now is first get my hair braided by my girl Shima. And then after I get my hair braided by her, I do my wig reviews. And then after I do my wig reviews, I get a real wig installed by my girl Kai. So I love the little setup I got going on. I love it. I love it. So I'm going to be trying to do stuff like that more often so my hair can like stay done. But the braids is definitely like a win-win type of thing, because after I'm done wearing it as like an actual style, I can use it as my wig braids. So I love that for me. But yeah, who ain't cute? Because I am cute. And who are you? Baby, I don't know. I don't know. Got you all up in the bed, fresh from head to toe, dancing on these. I'm dancing with your wall. Alright, let me stop. Cause I be hitting it. Sleep. Cause I be hitting it. Sleep. Cause I be hitting it. Sleep. But yeah, y'all. I don't know where this burst of energy come from, but yeah, my plants look a little withered, so I'm gonna do something with those as well. Water them. And it is kind of hot in my room. Maybe all that moving I'm doing, huh? My desk area is a mess. Like I said, I gotta put these boxes together. But y'all, let me show y'all my boxes. My boxes look absolutely amazing. So these are my boxes for Ash Graphics. Let me get better lighting real quick. These are my boxes for Ash Graphics. So I got this box here. This is going to be the branding box. And then I got this box here. And this is where the business cards will go. So I absolutely love these new boxes. I'm supposed to be launching those soon. So I'm excited about that as well. Like I said, I have websites on my site for sale, on sale right now for $175. And the bosses are like losing their minds right now. I got so many orders, so I'm going to be very busy all this week trying to knock out all of these orders. So if you're trying to go out, the answer is no, okay? If you're trying to go out, the answer is no, because I really have to like buckle down and get these orders done. I want to really like focus. And what else? I just been doing a lot of work, y'all. I've been doing a whole lot of work. So, but yeah, I'm so happy to be back on YouTube, you guys. This is just a little mini vlog that I want to put out real quick, because I haven't posted an actual vlog in a while. And I told y'all I'm going to be posting a vlog at least once a week. Hold me to it, y'all. At least once a week I'm going to be posting a vlog. So this is one of the vlogs. It's not much. It's just like kind of like a startup vlog, like hello, I'm back vlog. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next vlog next week. But yeah, bosses, I gotta get to work. I gotta do what I gotta do, and I'm out of breath. But I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below other videos you want to see. And I'll be having those wig reviews come through too. So see y'all.